Okay, I'm going to do number 6 on our walk around from today. So I have my question here. How much more, every single time I see that, I know that at some point I'm going to have to subtract. So how much more interest, or how much more money is earned on a $3,000 investment? So that's my principal. At 4%, that's my rate, and I'm compounding annually for 20 years, that's my time. Then, so the same 3,000, but this time it is simple, same percent, same years. So I have to actually do 2 problems. So I'm going to do compound first. A equals 1, parentheses, principal, parentheses, 1 plus r raised to the time. Yes, I have to write my formula. I know that I have $3,000. My principal, 1 plus my rate. My rate is 4%. I don't put 4 in my calculator. I have to remember the decimal is out of sight, stick it to the right, and I move 1, 2. So this is actually 0.04. And then my time is 20. Once I have everything written down, I just plug it in, 3,000. Remember, you have to put parentheses, 1 plus 0.04, close parentheses. Remember on the test tomorrow, underneath the clear, the caret button raises it up, and we have to the 20th power. So I have A equals 6573.3. Now money, I know, only goes to 2 decimals. Well, I can't just say 36. I have to look at that third digit. Because it's a 9, that means I have to round up. So this is actually 37. Okay? Now, on this question, I'm only looking for the money earned, which is interest. So on compound, remember, you have to subtract that principal. So take away that principal, and you get 3573.37. I am not done. Okay? And it helps that they didn't try to trick me with any of those answer choices. This is only compound. I know it says how much more, so I've got to subtract. And you might be thinking, well, I subtracted right here. We haven't done anything with the simple interest, so I need to actually use that formula. I par T. I equals PRT. Plug in what I know. I still have $3,000. My rate is still 0.04, and my time is 20. This one's much easier to plug in the calculator. 0.04 times 20, and I get 2,400. Okay. Now that I have both interest rates, it says how much more, so I just subtract. So 3573.37 minus 2,400. So 3573.37 minus 2,400. And I get 1173.37. If I look at my answer choices, I see that, and it is actually going to be answer choice D. So be careful. Make sure you do all the steps. The steps are not hard, but you have to remember, for a compound, you need to subtract. And then this question asked how much more, so you're going to subtract again.